Hello guys, welcome to this channel Nobog. In this video, I will tell you top 5 programming languages to learn in 2023. I am not ranking any languages because every language has their own strength. So language can be chosen on some points like your project requirement, available resource and the expertise of the development team. Therefore, I pick top 5 languages based on my research. If you are looking to build your career in software field or to expand your programming skill, this video is for you. So watch this video till the end and subscribe this channel to get more useful video. Programming languages are constantly evolving and it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments, whether you are beginner or an experienced programmer. So friends, let's start with C language. It is a relatively simple programming language to learn, particularly for beginners who have no previous programming experience. It has a clear and concise syntax that is easy to understand, and by using this language, you can develop a solid foundation in programming concepts like variables, data types, and control structures. So if once learn these things, then you can learn other programming languages very easily. And it is widely used and still in high demand in many industry, particularly in system programming like operating system and embedded system. C language is very beginner friendly language. If you are a beginner, then you can go for it. So I pick this language. So let's move to the another language. This is Java. Yes, you heard it right. Java has consistently been one of the most popular programming languages for many years, and this trend is likely to continue in 2023 because Java has many features like object oriented programming, platform independent, garbage collector, and so on. By using Java, you can build applications like web development, mobile apps, enterprise software, and you can also use for building complex systems which require high levels of security and reliability. And friends, one more thing, Java has a large and active community of developers who are contributing to open source libraries and tools. This means you have access to wide range of resource and support when building applications with Java, and it is widely used in a variety of industries including finance, healthcare, and government. So there are a large number of career opportunities available for Java developers. So you can learn this. Please guys hit the like button. Now next language is Python. Python is so popular because of its simple and readable syntax. So it is easy to learn for beginners. As a beginner, if you are not comfortable with C language syntax, then this is good to learn. Python also supports object-oriented programming language, and Python is an interpreted language because you don't have to go through the extra step of compiling your code before program run. And another thing, Python provides a large collection of libraries and packages that can be used to add extra functionality to the language. And Python is popular language for AI and machine learning because of its powerful libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. And friends, to make easier and faster your program, you can import pre-written code into your program from libraries. And it is an open source programming language. It means it's free to use, distribute, and modify. Python source code is publicly available, which means developers can study and improve the language and can contribute to the Python community. You can use it for data science, developing model, web development, and so on. So you can learn this. Next language is JavaScript. JavaScript is a client-side scripting language, and one of the unique feature of JavaScript is it runs directly in the browser and making it easy to create dynamic and interactive web pages. And it can be used for both front-end and back-end development. By using it, you can build web apps, mobile apps, and desktop apps. JavaScript is also support object-oriented programming language, and it has a large community of developers who created many libraries and frameworks like React, Angular, Node.js, so that it will easy to build complex application quickly. If you already have some familiarity with programming concepts, JavaScript can be an easy language to learn. There are many scope of JavaScript language. If you want to become a full stack developer, then this language is best option to learn. Then next language is C++. How can I forget this? C++ is popular for developing fast processing application like games or scientific simulations. Its efficiency and speed make it a powerful tool for creating software that can handle complex calculation and data manipulation. Friends, if you are preparing for competitive programming, then C++ is best because it involves solving programming challenges under time pressure so that you can compete in programming contests and improve problem solving skills. Except this, C++ supports of OOPS concept, compatibility with C, and has a community support. C++ used in a game development, scientific computing, robotics, and so on. There are so many free courses in YouTube, so you can learn this. I hope that you found it informative and useful. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more coding and science content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.